I'm so excited to be at Steelcote Crossing today. These are such beautiful lofts and I can't wait to show you around. So I just walked in and on your left, you can see when you walk in, you just have an incredible amount of storage. So I'll show you, they all kind of look the same, but when you open them up, they do have the bar there for your clothes. And then there's so much storage in these, you guys. They're probably at least 2 feet deep, if not a little bit further than that. And then you have them all down this wall. So back up just a little bit so you can see how many you have. And then on your right, you actually have this beautiful bathroom. So you can see it's got a great countertop with some extra storage below. And then you have this beautiful tiled shower, and that tile goes all the way to the ceiling. So really pretty. And then we walk down the hallway here and you can just already see these beautiful concrete floors, and these are original. They look really beautiful in here. And we walk in, so directly to your right is your kitchen, and this is a lot of space, especially for a loft. So you have these beautiful white cabinets with lots of storage. They're really tall, and you have your stainless appliances in here. And I was actually in here looking, and we have just a little coffee table over here, but you could totally fit a pub table over here with a few chairs. If that's interesting to you to have that extra kitchen space, you do have that seating area there. And as you were teased with a bit before, you can see you walk in and there's a lot of bedroom space in here. So this here is a full-size bed, and you've got 2 side tables next to it. So a lot of space there. And then these windows are just stunning. So they're huge and they go up almost to the ceiling there. Really good natural light in here. And then you can see you do have plenty of room for your living space as well. So this has this double-seated couch, and then obviously you can either hang or have your TV on a stand like we have, and then you do have a chair in here too. I'll show you this from this angle as well. So a lot of space in here. And then I thought I'd show you, it's a little industrial as well, so you can see how cool the ceiling is too. And then you can see the kitchen and the wall storage from this angle.